Like this is only my first month, and I've already had a lot of financial breakthrough, if you will, that was probably there the entire time.
Yeah.
I think I paid off my wife's car and a credit card amounting to like a little over $1,500 in the span of a couple of weeks, if not a little bit less. Just knowing where all the money is going, peace of mind has been a pretty huge thing. Not only that, but it's giving me, like, I'm able to see now the potential of what my money can do for me. I've used so many different budgeting apps, and then like I know people who use spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets, whatever. But none of it has ever made sense to me. Like, I connected
Yeah.
with my bank accounts and it's just always late.
What's going on, everybody? I'm back here again with Ethan Sharpe. We are in really starting month two. How are you doing? How's things been going with the family? How's the planner been working for you? How's your first month in the program been so far?
First month has been really good, man. Like, I was, we were talking before. I texted you a couple of days ago. Like, paid off. I think I paid off my wife's car and a credit card amounting to like a little over $1,500 in the span of a couple of weeks, if not a little bit less. So that's
That's
been
awesome.
that's been pretty huge. And those are kind of like, especially that credit card. Like, I had some things on there that were more so like no interest for 12 months kind of thing. And in my head,
Hmm.
I'm like preparing to have that payment for the next year, but now I don't
Yeah.
have it anymore, kind of thing. And so um, yeah, it's been
Sounds like
great.
a great month.
Yeah, yeah, and that planner, like, honestly, I check it, every couple of days or so, and
Mm.
like just being able to see where everything is going and know, like, okay, you know, for example, we were talking about the recurring expenses account, like knowing
Hmm.
I put the money there and the bills come out and I don't got to worry about it. I've got other accounts where, like, I got to get gas, I got a dedicated account for that, and among
Hmm.
other things, But
Yeah.
it's been really cool to see in that way. So
That's awesome, man. Hey, I'm glad to hear people. You also just have like good reviews on it. I get nervous every time I send it because you're always get nervous when you send something that somebody has never used, and you're worried like, are they gonna, Which I've locked a lot of that stuff up because I know I've had people who are like, oh, let me play around with this, and I'm like, listen, don't touch the formulas. Just
hmm
input the numbers and just let it do what it's going to do. But it's been good. I'm glad. Congrats on paying off the car. Congrats on paying
hmm
off the debt. I really only have two questions today before we start. So, how would you say so far? Which you may have kind of already answered this. Like, how would you say so far? Like, being a part of the academy has been helpful for you and your family, as far as even maybe your mindset towards finances, or just like now having a structure and a system for it. Like, how do you think it's affected you in the last
hmm
month,
yeah,
in your
man.
first month, essentially?
I think I think we were actually talking about this a couple of days ago. Like, just knowing where all the money is going and knowing that I'm giving it a place to go,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't have to worry about it. Like, peace of mind has been a pretty huge thing. And
Mm-hmm.
then not only that, but it's giving me, like, I'm able to see now the potential of what my money can do for me when
Mm-hmm.
I'm consistent in this. Like, this is only my first month, and I've already had a lot of financial breakthrough, if you will, that was probably there the entire time.
Yeah.
But just because of how I was stewarding that money, I wasn't really able to see that.
Yeah.
And so I would say that it's been a very eye-opening, enlightening, and I really enjoyed, like I said, just that peace of mind, and just seeing what this could do if I keep up with it.
Yeah. Man, that's awesome. It does. It makes me happy, like I said, because I just want to make sure, and I think everybody has the same capability. We just need a little bit of like structure. We need a system, and I think that was the whole point of like creating this, and accountability too, right? Like, all right, like it's funny because other people who are in like the program are like, I know I got to see you in a month, so like I know if I don't do what I'm supposed to do, and I'm like, guys, I don't even yell, like I don't get mad, like because at the end of the day, it's your money, like I
It
mean,
is
but I'm
sure,
just
yeah.
here to like, hey, you did tell me, like, people don't understand. I do record this for marketing purposes, but I also record it for your accountability because you're going to say, we'll go back and watch the tape and say, it's like football, right? It's like a highlight tape. No, no, no. You said you were going to pay this off.
Mhm.
I didn't tell you anything.
Yep.
This is what you said on the call. So if you say, man, we didn't say we were going to do it. I'm like, are you sure you want me to go pull this tape for you where you say it? And it's going to have your face on it. It's not going to just be a voice. You're going to literally
Right.
see yourself saying it. So I think that's been cool also just to like people to kind of like, I know at the end of the month, because that's kind of where this came from, right? It's like the gym. Like you have a personal trainer, you're expected to show up, you're expected to do things, but we don't have that with our finances. So glad to hear that. Last question. If somebody was on the fence, like, let's just say they're like, oh, I've heard about this academy, not really too sure about it. If somebody was on the fence, what would you tell them as far as just based on your experience? Are you struggling with debt, feeling like there's never enough left at the end of the month? Or maybe you just want to make more money and create more income? Or you want to start investing but don't know where to start? You're not alone, and you don't have to stay stuck there. The Earners Academy is a financial coaching program that has helped countless families and individuals eliminate $3,000 to $4,000 in debt in less than 30 days, build full emergency funds in less than 90 days, but also create real financial margin within their budget. So with a personalized plan, guidance, and accountability, you'll finally have control over your money and not your money controlling you. So are you ready to take the first step? Book your consultation today with the link down below and start building the financial future that you deserve.
I mean, based on my experience, it kind of seems like a no-brainer to jump on this train. Like I in some circumstances, I've kind of been a person who needs drastic measures to make drastic adjustments. And
Yeah.
like for me, the planner is not something drastic. It's very easy to use, very easy to understand. But just the system alone for me personally was drastic, and it's what I needed. And so I would say absolutely to anybody who's questioning it, or because a lot of people they use, like I've tried to use budget apps, I've tried to use Rocket Money, I tried to use Intuit, Mint, I think it was called. I
Yep.
don't even think they have it anymore.
I think they got bought out by Rocket Money, if I remember correctly.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
There was another one called Good Budget. Remember Good? Have you ever heard of Good Budget?
Yep.
I've used so many different budgeting apps, and then like I know people who use spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets, whatever. But it's like their own kind of system that they've just kind of worked with, and it works for them.
Yep.
But none of it has ever made sense to me. Like I connected
Yeah.
with my bank accounts, and it's just always late. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
it never updates like actively. It's always like a day or
Yeah.
two late, and so this just, I would say absolutely to anybody who's questioning this. It's simple, it's easy, and you see just the way you have everything like laid out and programmed with your formulas and stuff, and even like the little like the pie charts and the graphs and stuff, like just even like the slight visuals that I know that's not the main focal point of
Yeah.
the planner, but even like down to that, it's just
Yeah.
very, very easy.
Seeing
And
like how much of your money is income, how much of it's
yes,
debt, like
yes,
yeah. And nothing feels better than that margin little thing just kind of
it's
turning
just sticking up,
green and
man.
like it yeah. So
Hmm.
it's funny because like people are like, I see all this red, I need to get it halfway there. So and that's kind of the point. Like I try to like that's not the whole point, but it's like also it's a visual, but it's also gamifying the thing of like, all right, I need to move this bar a little bit further so I can get it. Now, if you get it all the way to green, you're a bad person, a bad man right there. If you can pull that off, that's 100% margin if you can get that thing all the way to green. So to me, if you get it halfway, it's a great, I mean, you have won. Absolutely.
Yeah.
But I think that's kind of the point of it, is just to kind of let people see, hey, this is what my bar looked like last month. This is where it is this month. And so that, man, I appreciate that a lot. Just to know that it's, like I said, I was telling you the other day, it really does make it seem like doing this is worth it when I see results, obviously, because when you start something, you're like, oh, is it going to work? Like,
Sure. Yeah.
and I, like I said, I'm competing against a lot of people. You just named 5 different apps, but I just kept seeing this like hole of like, man, I think people are still missing it, because even if you use those apps, like you're still using one account, and it still causes confusion. It's still it doesn't, like, hey, this is different, but let's see if it works. And I mean, looks like it's working for you. So thanks for that. So we'll jump into the fun part, I like to say, about let's see what your planner looks like for February. So hey, what's up, y'all? If you're trying to budget better, increase your financial knowledge, save more, invest smarter for your future, or simply just get better with money, you're in the right place. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any easy, practical tips to grow your wealth and increase your net worth. So let's make your money work for you, and subscribe now, and let's get started.